There is a proverb which I completely believe in. What we don't understand, we fear. What we fear, we judge as evil. What we judge as evil, we attempt to control it. And what we can't control, we attack. I'm going to give a couple of seconds for everyone to be settled down. Yes? So I'm going to repeat that. What we don't understand, we fear. What we fear, we judge as evil. What we judge as evil, we try to control it. And what we can't control, we attack. And that's the topic that we are going to be discussing today. The most fearful aspect of life right now is the coronavirus. Everyone's talking about coronavirus, how it's been killing a lot of people. But if we start investigating into the origin of coronavirus, it has been corroborated that the Illuminati, a secret society which is full of conspiracies and theories, and they are trying to take over the world, and this society is the cause behind this virus, and they are trying to reduce the population of the world from 7.8 billion to about 1/4, which is somewhere around 2 billion. Not only the coronavirus, even diabetes is something that has been caused by the Illuminati. If we look at the Jallikattu protest that happened in Tamil Nadu a few years ago, the reason why people wanted to ban Jallikattu or the cows that were the breed that was coming from the Tamil states was again because of Illuminati. Why do women wear skirts? Because of Illuminati. Why do you have Big Boss? Because of Illuminati. What is this?
Illuminati symbol.
Only you will say the Shastra. You always suspected you are a member of Illuminati. Shankar, what is this?
Baba.
And in a way, Shastra is also right. Rajinikanth is one of the most important key members of the Illuminati. If you don't have water in your house, it is because of Illuminati. Today, that is the scenario that we have gone ahead and created because of the conspiracy theories that abound this society called Illuminati. When our own VPPR put up a poster saying Illuminati, I had a member text me and said, I knew that the 1% of elite TNs in Tamil Nadu were a part of Illuminati.
Oh my God.
So there is so much of rife, there is so much of conspiracy that surrounds Illuminati. Let's try and understand who these Illuminatis actually are. Any ideas? When have you heard of this word Illuminati in your life for the very first time?
Dan Brown's book.
When did you hear Dan Brown's book, or when did you read Dan Brown's book?
When it was quite popular, the Da Vinci Code.
I think all of it after 2010-15.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Recently, yeah.
The book's first edition was published in 1979. However, the second edition, which was banned by the Vatican, is what made the book popular, and that's how we got a movie. And only from these two sources, all of us have heard of Illuminati. But if you go online and you check for any problem that happens, as I said, from Jallikattu to Big Boss to coronavirus or even the Sterlite Copper that people were fighting against, there is a scheme of the Illuminati being behind all these problems. In fact, what I read very recently was people like Barack Obama, the Italian Prime Minister, Rajinikanth, Kamal Hassan, all of them are a part of Illuminati. This theory is being propaganda by WikiLeaks, a major YouTube player who comes and talks about everything, and he says, believe me, and it is true. The second person who propagates this is Hila Bhaskar. Again, another person who comes and says, within 6 months I can cure cancer and AIDS and has no supporting proof for that. These are the kind of people who on social media propagate this particular Illuminati conspiracy behind everything that happens. So before we try to understand more about the origin of Illuminati, we'll get into our regular meeting proceedings. As a part of Meraki, the very first and unique aspect of Meraki is always a management book review. And to do the management book review, I would like to invite BTM Vijay Lakshmi.